हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज मिताली हियर फ्रॉम फैबुलस यू। और आज का वीडियो है ऑफ शोल्डर ड्रेसेस। ओके, और यूनिक कलेक्शंस ऑफ शोल्डर ड्रेसेस आई एम गोइंग टू शो। बुकिंग नंबर 9711195266। प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल एंड ऑल्सो टू फॉलो माय फेसबुक पेज. So I start off with the lovely collection. These are pure cotton pieces. इतना मक्खन कॉटन है and it is so comfortable for the beach wear. You can wear, and if anyone is not okay to wear off shoulder dress, they can just put a shrug also and they can go for it. It is such a premium pieces. जितने भी थे मैं सारे ले आई, but very limited pieces. Price is also very very reasonable as per the quality. Okay, so all tie and dye print पे रहेगा. You will love it. So let us start off. So this one is the first piece, and this you can, and this is in two ways you can wear. You can wear like an off shoulder dress also. You can wear like a skirt as well. Okay, so बहुत ही सुंदर ड्रेस है. देखिए पूरा बैकलेस रहेगा. And this one, the size which will fit 34, 36, 38. Okay, the size which I am mentioning, it is this area. Okay, this area I am mentioning 34, 36, 38 can go for this beautiful piece. Such a lovely piece. I'll show you the other piece. Okay, so all the dresses I'll wear and show it to you so that you can have a look on the collections. So same piece I have got one more in 36, 38, 40. Okay, 36, 38, 40. और अगर किसी को भी कुछ छोटा हुआ या अगर ढीला हुआ, so they can always tie. Otherwise 34, 36, 36, 38, 40 is for this. It is stretchable. Bust area is completely, because ये completely आपका stretchable fabric पे है. Upper area is completely stretchable and below आपका देखिए ऐसे जाएगा. ठीक है. So this one is till 40 size can go. It's a beautiful piece. Okay, till 40 size can go. ये देखिए, हाँ ये एल साइज़ है. टिल 40 साइज इट विल गो. ये जो ब्रांड है आपको ऑनलाइन आपको बाहर में मिलेगा. ठीक है. सो दिस वन इज एक्चुअली ऑफ ब्रांड सॉलिटेयर बाय रवि भोसला. ओके, ये बाहर बिकता है, ये सब यहाँ पे नहीं सेल होता. ठीक है. 36, 38, 40. आई विल मेंशन द प्राइस इन द मिडल. ओके, बट डोंट मिस. इफ यू आर वेयरिंग, जस्ट वेयर अ श्रग and it is so comfortable. I'll show you the other collection. So next you can see this one. Okay, in 26, 28, 30, 32. Okay, so the bust area, above bust area will be 26, 28, 30, 32. And this one is a lovely color. सारे tie and dye में है. These are handmade pieces. Okay, tie and dye में है. And this is an orange, yellow and white. 26, 28, 30, 32 को जाएगा. It's a beautiful dress. ओके, ब्यूटीफुल. आई मस्ट से ब्यूटीफुल. जैसे आप ऐसे स्कर्ट पे भी डाल सकते हैं, बट एज इट इज़ लॉन्ग बिकॉज इट इज़ ऑफ शोल्डर, सो कोई अगर लंबे है तो फिर डाल पाएंगे. ठीक है. 26, 28, 30, 32. ब्यूटीफुल पीस. यू कैन ग्रैब इट फॉर. So the next color you can see, this one also beautiful piece, and this one is of size, actually L size will fit till 32 as well. Okay, so ये आपका 38, 40, 42 sorry. So ये जो मैंने second piece हाथ में पकड़ के दिखाया था, that will go till 42 as well. Okay, 38, 40, 42 जो L में है. So this one also will fit 38, 40, 42. A lovely piece. Okay, 38, 40, 42. So this piece is also available in 34, 36, 38. Okay, so this piece is also available in 34, 36, 38. Very comfortable, super gorgeous. This is in darkest gray, bluish and नीचे आपका pastel blue रहेगा. It's the same piece which I showed in 40, 42 size. It is the same piece. So here comes in black color. Okay, it's a black, it's a beautiful piece again, and the size which will fit for this is 38, 40, 42. Okay, again I repeat, बहुत ही खूबसूरत ड्रेस है. पूरा बीच वेयर. If you want to wear just like this, you can wear a top or a shrug. If you don't want to wear that off shoulder type. Okay, बहुत beautiful piece in black, non-transparent, super gorgeous. Okay, so you can grab this piece in the introductory price. I'm giving it an introductory price just for $7.99 free shipping. Okay, just for $7.99 free shipping you can grab these pieces. Nowhere else you will get such pieces. So next, look at this. Completely tie dye में रहेगा. सारे वेरी लिमिटेड पीसेज है, ये मत सोचिए यू विल वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टॉक, नथिंग इज predictable. This one also is completely fitting my size, which is 34, 36, 38 can go. Okay, 34, 36, 38 can go for this beautiful piece. You can grab it for $7.99 free shipping. So look at this. Look at this. It's a beautiful dress again, and this one the size which will fit 36, 38, 40. Okay, the size which will fit 36, 38, 40. Yes, 36, 38, 40 can go for this beautiful dress in orange and blue combination में बहुत सुंदर पीस है. और ये सारे ना पेस्टल कलर्स है बिकॉज दीज आर हैंडमेड पीसेस, कोई आर्टिफिशियल वैसा कुछ नहीं है, completely pure handmade pieces these are, and these are designer wear pieces as well. Just for $7.99 free shipping, you can grab this beautiful piece 36, 38 and 40. And look at this gorgeous piece, बहुत ही pretty सा है. And this one is perfectly fitting my size, which is 34, 36, 38. Okay, 34, 36, 38 can go for this beautiful piece. बहुत ही different सा style में है, super gorgeous. Whatever I say is less for these collections. और ये जो price मैं दे रही हूँ आपको कहीं पे भी कोई सेल भी नहीं कर रहा है ये स्पेशली, but still my price $7.99 with free shipping you are getting it for. Last piece है ये, grab कर लीजिए, आगे मिले ना मिले we can't say. And please do subscribe my channel as well because और बहुत ही ज़्यादा collections आए हुए हैं and I'm really very excited to show you all. I thought that मैं सारा एक ही बार में दिखा दूँ, but no, let us start off with this lovely pieces first, then we'll go for the rest. Okay, so please stay tuned and please do subscribe my channel. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, because in WhatsApp group I post sale also sometimes, and some clearance sale I mostly post in WhatsApp. So if you want to get in touch with me, please do WhatsApp me in 9711152266. Price again I repeat, just for $7.99 free shipping. If you're booking any piece, please do the payment immediately after my confirmation. So these were the collections for today. I hope you like it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and do keep shopping.